Welcome. If you've been trying to find your relationship activity on Facebook using your PC and can't quite locate it after the latest update, don't worry, you're not alone. Facebook tends to move things around, but in this guide, I'll walk you through exactly where to find your relationship information step by step. First, go ahead and open Facebook on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand another list of options. Go ahead and select Settings from there, which will take you to your account settings page. Now, this is where things get a little different with the new update. On the left-hand side, or sometimes within the main settings area depending on your layout, look for the Activity Log option. Click on it to open up a detailed record of your Facebook activity. Inside the activity log, you'll see various categories that organize your activity. What you want to do is scroll or browse through the categories until you find relationships. Click on it, and this is where Facebook stores any updates or changes you've made to your relationship status over time. Here, you can review your past relationship statuses, edits, and any related activity. It's a useful place if you want to track changes or simply revisit what you've shared before. And that's it. The process is simple once you know where to look, even with the updated layout.